Vocabulary quiz. There will be 25 definitions in total. To guess each word by definition, 5 seconds will be given. Let's get started. Guess the word for. Suitable for a court, judge, or the legal system. Guess the word for. Interested in learning more about something due to finding it captivating? Guess the word for. A publication that is released every 3 months. Guess the word for. Resulting in minimal or no impact or achievement. Guess the word for. Difficult situation that demands a lot of effort. Guess the word for. A very strong and damaging fire. Guess the word for. To carefully craft or design something with meticulous attention to detail. Guess the word for. A student in the second to last year of college or high school. Guess the word for. To undergo a particular condition, state, or action. Guess the word for. A small round medication that is ingested whole when we are ill. Guess the word for. Having a bumpy or uneven surface or texture? Guess the word for. Related to the application of scientific methods in investigating a crime. Guess the word for. A farm animal that is raised for its meat or wool. Guess the word for. A person who specializes in creating clothing, particularly for men. Guess the word for. To arrange someone or something in a particular order or position. Guess the word for. A place where men can go to get haircuts from a professional stylist. Guess the word for. Two companies or organizations coming together to create a larger entity. Guess the word for. Preserving the natural environment and resources from human activities that are wasteful. Guess the word for. To blink rapidly in order to get someone's notice. Guess the word for. The most advanced degree awarded by a university. Guess the word for. Human blood is categorized into different types. Guess the word for. The smallest amount, degree, or extent that is allowed or required. Guess the word for. A garment typically worn by women and girls for swimming. Guess the word for. To execute a swift and forceful military assault. Guess the word for. A motorbike with pedals and a low-powered engine. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comments section.